Just waiting on the Sky Carl seal of approval. Good Thursday afternoon to you all, YouTube. Here at 2:35 now in the afternoon. As you can see here clearly, I have my new whiteboard. Kind of, this is a temporary setup. This one, something, if I needed to use it, I could use it. So that's the way it's going to look, like I say, is when I need to draw on it or whatever. It seems to hang pretty good there. It's a little bit shaky, but you know, it's on screws, but nothing extravagant. It occurred to me yesterday when I did or the day before yesterday, whenever I did the closer look at the transistor radios, that I neglected one of those radios, and that was this one. Oops. This one. So I figured it'd be kind of hard to get the the sound from it, but I may go ahead and look at that today and see if it does in fact work, and we'll see what that has to do. And if I have time, I may go ahead and delve into that GE, the one with the dirty case. I think it needs to have the earphone jack looked at on it, because of the fact that a lot of times when radios like that don't make any noise at all coming out of the speaker when you turn them on and off, it generally means that they're not hooked up to the speaker, and that would be a kind of a perfect explanation as to why I'm not getting any sound out of it. Now, I'm not saying that's for sure it, but like I said, it's a good possibility, I would say. So, may take a look at that. But anyway, this will be awaiting the Sky Carl seal of approval, as Larry was talking about. And so, you know, really probably won't use it until Sky Carl has a look at it and see if it meets his approval or not. And I bought this whole thing, like I said, at Walmart. It's got the magnetic little things you clip. All these are magnetic as well. So, you know, I just, I don't know what those are used for, but, yeah, they're there. I guess put a note up there, I guess, is what you do. And that's a possibility. I have some other magnetic stickers. I may be putting those in here as well. Like I said, I'm not really happy with this location, because obviously it covers up 2 shelves of my my shelves. I mean, what's the sense in having shelves if you can't even get you to them? It's easy to get off, though. I mean, you can see, just lift up a little bit. It comes off pretty darn easy. So, you know, not really worried about it as far as not being able to get into the stuff behind it. And attaches and unattaches very easily. So, happy about that. Got a project in mind for this coming up, and we'll be discussing that more later on. While I'm sitting here talking, I did check on my 3D printer again today. It still has not been shipped. FedEx still does not have it. A little bit, I won't say concerned, a little bit perturbed at it. I don't think it should take that long to, you know, get it to them. Same thing with the radio that I bought, the airline. That has been waiting FedEx to get the package as well, and that doesn't seem to be going anywhere either. I did buy a camera like Bill had, his dash cam. I have that coming. It's only $20. I thought, well, you know, it'd be worth a little video series on you know, comparing it to the Black Web from Walmart. I was really pleased with the Black Web, and you know, Bill's doesn't look bad either, so, you know, it'd be kind of interesting to compare the two. Now, I do find one thing interesting about, I'll flash some pictures up here and some special things that I noticed about it. The fact that it will take a 64 gigabyte card for the SD card, and at 720p it will record approximately, now I know that's a big word in Chinese, approximately 20 hours. Now if it would record even half that, I would be happy with it, but it's got a WVGA mode as well. I probably would go for that because I think WVGA is just fine. I use it all the time on my Kodak ZE-1, and it seems to do good, just fine with that. So I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, that's coming. I may have something out in the mail today. I kind of hesitate on saying things like this because every time I say it, it doesn't come true. But the schematics, the SCRs for the battery charger are supposed to be, they are out for delivery, we'll put it that way. Supposed to be here today, and also the schematic that I ordered for that airline radio is supposed to be here. So I think one or the other, or both maybe, would be nice. And I have still a couple outstanding things from China coming in. Like the item that I received the other day, the switch, the four pole 3-throw switch that came in, and I'm still waiting on those capacitors. Hopefully they might be there. You know, good chance. Never can tell. So anyway, that's some of the things I'm looking at, and like I said, this was my main object of the video, was this whiteboard. I think let me know what you think about the angle there, because you know, obviously if I draw on this, you know, I guess you can see that. I hope you can. Of course, obviously if I'm drawing like this, you're not going to be able to see until I move my arm. Obviously that's going to be the way it is, but I need to get me an eraser for this too. I don't have a, I like to have a dedicated eraser for things like this so that I don't end up using it for other things. I probably have a rag in here that can be used in a pinch, and yep, that works just fine. So keep that in there. But like I said, I have a project in mind for this, and I'm going to be drawing some stuff. I'm not very good at drawing. You'll find that out, obviously. I wonder if this would be better if I turned that around. I wonder if that's my big light. I don't know if that makes a big difference on the camera or not. Well, you see a difference right over in here. You see a little difference when I see how that lights up over here. So yeah, that makes a little difference. I can put it that way. Won't be a bad thing. Alright, I think that's going to do me. Just a short video. Like I say, next thing I'll probably do will be delve into some of these radios. Maybe if the SCR does come, I may test one of those and see how it stacks up, or whatever you want to call it. I have another project up here on these where these parts are as well. I don't know when I'm going to get to that, but I don't like the way, I mean, I like having the additional storage there, but I don't like the way they're just sort of in there willy-nilly and not in any kind of order. So I'm going to work on that. A lot of projects, as always. Seems like I never actually get anything done, but you know how it is. You guys, you probably all the same way. You have big ambitious plans and you know, for doing things, but then it just doesn't work out. So, alright, well, I've talked now for 9 minutes. So, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we will see ya.